My name is Khalil Farah. I am a personal injury attorney in Jacksonville, Florida, and I specialize in all kinds of personal injury law, whether it be auto cases, premise liabilities, which includes slip and falls, trip and falls, etc. I've even handled some negligent security case and worked a little bit on medical malpractice cases. When we see a case on television, we see the oral arguments and we see the opening and closing statements. But the fact is, the majority of what happens in a case is really decided based on pleadings, based on what is submitted in writing to the court, motions, things like that. And in order to be able to really advocate for your client, you have to be able to do both. And so some lawyers may seem very charismatic, but may not hold the same chops when it comes to actually writing, and some lawyers vice versa. And so it's important to have both, and I pride myself on the ability to also be a very good writer, in addition to the cases that I've taken to trial. In my opinion, a successful attorney is someone that is able to relate with a lot of people. And I think that's important because, one, you're relating to your client. You want to make sure that your client understands you have their back, you know what they're going through, or you can at least empathize with what they're going through, and you're going to do the best thing for them. You also have to be able to relate with the insurance company representatives, the judges, all the parts of the legal system, because they're ultimately going to be some of the people that are deciding or offering settlement terms to your client. And lastly, you have to be able to relate to juries, and juries are six strangers. I mean, it's six people that have passed the qualifications to be on jury selection, which is not a lot. And so when you're relating to all these different people, they're all coming from different walks of life. They're all coming from different educational backgrounds or from different perspectives in life. And being able to use all those relationships, I think, makes an effective attorney. No one person can do it on their own. And I really mean that about personal injury law. There's just so much information, there's so much work that has to be done on every case that it really takes a team to get the best results. So here we have attorneys, we have case managers, we have investigators, we have legal assistants, we have paralegals, and all of that is necessary to getting the clients the results that they deserve. I love working with my family. My dad's here, my uncle's here, both of my sisters are here, and some of the lawyers that are here have been here for over 20 years. And they frankly, they feel like family because I've grown up and I've been at the office so much that I've spent time with them every year. And so I love the community. I love the sense that everyone here is rooting for each other and rooting for the best interests of our clients.